for the seller and for the buyer to have the attorney on board before the offer to make sure the offer has the right contingencies. The standard offer form is really a neutral form, and so you really want to have some language there that protects the buyer if you're the buyer for an offer.
Now, I hope this doesn't offend anyone. I'm married to an attorney, but sometimes people hear lawyer or attorney and they're like, ugh, they're going to rake me over the coals and charge me by the hour. So how do you pay when you hire a real estate attorney?
Well, first of all, you have to realize that the median price for a house in Boston is, I think, around $300,000, and so that's the biggest purchase that a family's going to make in their lifetime, and they're also going to be there for years, assuming they're going to raise a family.
So
there.
You're saying you're making an investment, you got to invest in the right people to help in the process.
Exactly right. That's 100% correctly. And how much it costs, it really depends. If you're buying in a plan unit development or a condominium, that's a little more complicated because you have maybe 100 pages of documents that put together the community, and in that there are certain restrictions, like you couldn't have a home office, and if somebody wants to work out of their home, that may be important, or you may have pets and you may not be allowed to have pets. And
so just ask your real estate attorney, right? Just say, how much are you going to be charging me for all of this work? What are some of the potentially dangerous areas of a real estate agreement?
I think the first part is that usually for a buyer, they want to have the house inspected. They will have inspected for structural problems and other problems, and for termites, and if you have a septic system, you want to make sure the septic system is up to code. So you really need to have all those contingencies in there, and the inspection could turn up problems that even the seller has no idea.
Yeah.
And
I've been there. Yep.
Right. So you really need to have all those protections in there, and you're going to have most likely have a mortgage contingency in there. You want to make sure that you have the right amount of the mortgage and the right interest rates that you're interested in.
That's what you pros are for. Attorney Tom Brown from Kushner Sanders Ravenel LLP. Thank you for your time.
All right, thank
you.
Over
to Eric.
I needed all that advice down in Florida a few years ago. Why so late? I needed this.
Do it different.
I can tell you, trust me, I know. On the way to
different in California.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Calls for help.
The Northeast does it differently. All right.